Hi guys, welcome to Sampath Tech, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 tricks you didn't know in Instagram. So the first trick was the photo collage. So I'm going to show it on both Android and iOS. So now let's see it on iOS. So first guys, you're going to open the Photos app. And after clicking the Photos app, you're going to select the photo you want. And I'm clicking this photo. And after that, you're going to click the share button. And after clicking the share button, you're going to go down and click copy photo. And after that, you're going to exit the Photos app and go into Instagram. And after going into the Instagram, you're going to click your story. And after that, you're going to click any story. I am going to click this. After clicking that, you're going to add some text. Let's add some text. And after that, you're going to press hard on it so you can paste the photo. So after pasting it, you can just align the photo wherever you want. You can also put some other photos like this. You can set any other photo and paste it here. And after that, you're going to hashtag something like, you can add anything like that. And this is how you're going to make a photo collage in Instagram. So guys, now I will show you how to do it on the Android. So first you're going to the gallery. So guys, after going into the gallery, you're going to take the photo you want. And after that, you're going to take a screenshot of it. And after going to take the screenshot, you're going to crop it like you want. And after that, you're going to the Instagram app. And after going into the Instagram, you're going to click your story. And after that, you're going to take any photo like you did earlier. And after that, you're going to click add some text. And after that, you're going to the clipboard. And after going to the clipboard, the photo you just screenshotted will come there. And after that, you're going to add that photo. And everything else is like the iOS manner. So it's all about this, guys. So guys, the second tip was the glowing emoji. You can get a glowing emoji on Instagram. It would be great. So first you're going to click the your story, and after that you're going to select any template. I'm going to select the black template so you can see the glow. And after that, you're going to just put any other emoji. Before putting any emoji, you're going to select the color of the glow, and I'm going to select the purple. And after that, I'm going to paste this emoji, and I'm going to click neon. And after that, see, here we got a glow, and it's awesome, guys. You can put as many emojis you want, and this is done both in Android and on iOS, and that's all. So guys, the third tip was the rainbow text. So for this, you're going to the my story, and after that you're going to set one template, and after that you're going to add some text, and after that you're going to click on the text, and you're going to click select all. You're going to select all the text, and after clicking select all the text, you're going to use 2 thumbs to this. For one thumb, you're going to click on the text, and with the other, you're going to click on the color, and you can change the color of all the text, and it will give you an effect like the rainbow. So guys, here's the rainbow text, and it's cool, I know. So let's go to the next tip. So guys, the fourth tip was only for iOS users. It is about how to put live photos in Instagram as Boomerang. Before, it would be like just with the tap, we can just turn the live photos into Boomerang, but now it's not possible. So for that, you should go to your photos, and you should take a live photo or the existing live photo. You should select it, and after that, you're going to just slide it up, and you're going to see some like a loop and some bounce and some other effects, and you're just going to click the bounce, and after that you're going to make a screen recording using this option. But now I'm already currently recording to show you this, so you should record the screen and for up to 30 seconds, and after that you're going to the Instagram and you're going to upload it there, and that's all. So guys, the last tip was for the people who use Instagram in a creator mode. If you use Instagram in a creator mode, you will just want some more big screen to just see your analytics and everything else. For this tip is for you guys. You're going to any web browser you want, and you're going to click Facebook Creator Studio. And after going to click that, you will get Facebook Creator Studio, and at down you will see the Instagram Creator Studio. And after going into that, okay, it's logging in. So after going into that, you're going to log in with Instagram, and you can see all the Instagram posts on your desktop, and you can manage it more easier. And that's the 5th tip, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.
From the top, let's go.